So, as some of you may know, obviously the weather has drastically changed up in California, and actually got some rain. So I was able to do this drive a little bit earlier literally without any issues. And now I'm going to try doing it on my way back. But this is 2020.40.8.13. Sorry, 2020.40.8.13. We're going to try this thing in the rain. And I have a better view. It's got the ARC. Shout out to Tesla Raj. Thank you again for the recommendation. But either way, we're going to do this drive and, you know, just see how FSD Beta handles in the rain. All right, here we go. Making a left turn. Sees the median. Okay. Have a right-hand turn coming up here soon. So it's slowing down. Moves over a little bit, and it is making the right-hand turn. This is great. Sees the median. Handling like a champ so far. Staying to the right. Sees the car on the left that we have. No big deal. Shout out to the Tesla on the left. I don't know if you can see them. And it looks like they even have an X. Very cool. Tesla fam, always in the neck and woods of the bay. Up here, we got a left-hand turn coming up. So also too, for those in the bay, you can make a left, and like we actually have some construction stuff going on here. So very, very nice turn. So in the bay, this is actually one of the first major rains. So pretty big deal. I think I've already seen a couple of accidents because, as you all probably know, when you have your first rains of the season, it brings up all the oils that have been like hiding within the streets for the full year. So it's a pretty big deal. Look, there's a Tesla coming out, and it's handling very well. It didn't even stop. But yeah, so I think, you know, this is obviously the roads are slicker. Thankfully, I actually got new tires yesterday, and I've been just, you know, the roads are going to be slick today, so it's good to have brand new all-season Pirelli tires. For doing all this driving, not only for safety reasons, but for myself. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, so look at that. Car went around, and my car didn't even react. That's awesome. It didn't need to, so because the cars didn't get close enough. But interesting to watch nonetheless. Okay, so we're making a left-hand turn here, and then we will be making a left-hand turn coming up onto a major road. So, you know, this is a 2-lane each-way road, so pretty busy. And as some of you may know, that you know, it can get pretty busy. Okay, boss, handling like a champ. It is not currently raining right now. We just finished the downpour. The earlier videos that I'll post on this will have it. So I think I'm gonna post 3 or 4 videos. And again, those of you who know are familiar with GoPro, after about 9 minutes, it stops the video and cuts it, even though you can record 20 minutes simultaneously. So just wanted to call that out. If you notice that, you know, I have 3 or 4 parts. It's not because I'm trying to edit that junk out, but this stuff is unfiltered, raw posts. So I'll probably have like a part 1 through 4 on this. But either way, you know, thanks for tuning in, checking it out. Full complete stop. If you notice too, the green chime essentially shuts off. So the green chime shuts off when you have FSD Beta on. It's getting a little hot in here. I'm going to turn this down. Okay. 145. In a 45, obviously, even with rain, it's going to go around this car. As you can see, obviously people I think they'll just speed down this, but the speed limit is 45 miles an hour here. I'm going to fix this up a little bit. Sorry if the sun's glaring right in the screen, but Let's go. Making a left-hand turn right here.